We're going to be programming a new smart key to this vehicle using the security gateway bypass cable. On the Levante, after you remove the floor mat, you just need to remove this panel, 4 screws, 1 in each corner, and our access point is going to be behind there. So I'm going to take those screws out for us real quick. Okay, when you got your screws out, this just pulls down. And we're going to be wanting to plug into right here. This far left row, we're going to want to do the bottom 2 wires. We're going to have our CAN H line on the bottom in the green wire, and our CAN L line in the middle on the brown wire. I'm going to go ahead and plug those wires in real quick. Alright, there we go. I know it's a little hard to see down here, but like I said earlier, CAN H on the bottom and CAN L in the middle on the far left row. Now we're going to go plug in our smart box to the OBD port. Alright, we'll plug in the bypass cable to the OBD port on the vehicle right here. And then plug our smart box into the extra OBD adapter. Alright, now we're going to open up the application and select our year, make, model. Alright, we're all hooked up. We're going to be using option CJD BP15. First, we're going to read the PIN code. Alright, 6693. I'm going to go to program keyless. Whoop. Alright, let's check out our new key. And we're good.